Hello guys, and welcome back again to my channel. Today we are going to make a different stitch pattern again. As much as possible, I want to create a stitch pattern that is so easy to make and to follow as well. So let's get started. So our stitch pattern for today is a multiple of 12 stitches and plus 3. So make here a foundation chain, multiples of 12, and add 3 at the end. On the next chain, we're going to make 2 double crochets. On the next chain, on the next 2 chains, we're going to make 2 double crochets together. And we have to do this 4 times, so we have to repeat 3 more times. So that is our second one. Our third one, and the fourth one. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. For the next 4 chains, we're going to make 2 double crochets each. So 2 double crochets on the next chain. 2 double crochet again on the next. Two double crochets again on the next chain. And for the last one, we're going to make 2 double crochets again. So now we have created our the first part of our wave. So we're just going to repeat our 4 double crochets together. Two double crochets 4 times. This is the third one. And this is the fourth one. So we have created our wave. For the 2 remaining stitches, we're going to make 2 double crochets in each of our chain. So this will become the half of the wave. For the next row, it will be a very easy one. Just make your chain 3 and turn your work. And we're just going to make a double crochet row for the second row. So 1 double crochet in each of the double crochet. Our chain 3 will count as our first double. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like, and share. so that you will get notified every time I have a new video. I would like to share with you as well, I have a discount coupon if you're interested to buy the Fomemo label printer. I will just put the link where you can buy down below, and as well as my 10% discount. Don't forget to use my 10% discount. It's Maria288. I will add it on the description down below as well. So just continue doing your double crochet in each chain for the second row. So basically this is just one row repeat as well. Please make sure that you're going to make use of your turning chain. For our third row, we're just going to repeat what we did on the first row. So chain 3, double crochet on the first double crochet, two double crochets on the next chain, and we're just going to repeat 2 double crochets together 4 times. So that will be our third one, so last one. And then for the next 4 chains, we're going to make 2 double crochets in each of the chain. So we have 1, 2, oops, I made a mistake. So I made only 1 double on this chain. So now we have 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And for the third part, we're going to repeat the 2 double crochets together 4 times. One more. And on our last chain, we're going to make 2 double crochets. So now we have done our wavy chevron. Again, this pattern is so flexible. You can add your foundation chain depending on what project you want to make. So again, thank you so much for joining me today. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Happy crocheting everyone, and God bless.